It was. It was just one of those beautiful September days that we're used to seeing all the time, but we haven't had that every day and every week this year like we typically do. It's really been an interesting year for sure. And now we've gone from mostly sunny and those beautiful blue skies that Kim was talking about to mostly cloudy skies. Some of you might actually see a few raindrops this evening. These little puffy clouds are coming off the foothills, the little cumulus clouds, a little bit of water in them. I don't think it's going to impact any travel plans on I-70 or I-25, but just not entirely calm and dry out there after a day with seasonal highs in the low 80s for downtown Denver. Much warmer east of Lyman and Akron, out in extreme eastern Colorado into western Nebraska and Kansas. And look at the cooler temperatures over the higher terrain and out across the western slope. Grand Junction coming in at 75, the same in Eagle. DIA, our official observation station, at 81, low humidity, calm winds. And we have a little push of moisture coming in from the southwest. High pressure still in charge, but this little wave is transporting enough cloud cover that we're seeing a couple of hit and miss showers on the I-70 corridor, a little thunder, a little lightning, another round of showers around Alamosa and Trinidad. And we're also seeing a few more coming in around Durango and Telluride. But notice Denver and points eastward are dry for now. The winds have been coming in out of a west to northwest fashion. That's a downsloping event for us, and that tends to dry out the atmosphere when these showers try to cross I-25. Later tonight, the winds out of the southwest, a similar scenario, but the moisture's close. Conifer, Evergreen, Bailey into Fairplay and Winter Park, so a brief rain shower not out of the question. Tracking a storm in the northeast, high pressure in charge over Colorado and the Central Plains. There is a storm upstream that we'll be watching for later in the week. Initially, it looked like it was going to bring us much cooler weather and the chance for showers heading into Friday and Saturday, but a lot of that energy looks to go north of us now as we kind of have the jet stream staying a bit further north. So the week looks a little bit calmer than we expected, and temperatures should be really comfortable as well. Last few days of summer, temperatures in the 80s. Saw that today. We'll see that again tomorrow with just isolated storms over the higher terrain. A brief shower in Denver possible tonight, and then another push of moisture means we go from mostly sunny skies in the morning to partly cloudy skies in the afternoon with a stray shower possible. Again, just benign little showers that cross really quickly and shouldn't be too impactful for travel plans or outdoor plans. And again, we'll see this scenario play out again tomorrow. Temperatures tonight, how about 53 for Denver, 50 in Pueblo, 41 in Vail, and 30s starting to pop up on the map in areas like Steamboat, Gunnison, and Lake City. High temperatures tomorrow, seasonal again. Low 80s for Denver and points northward. We'll see temperatures slightly warmer off across the east and into western Nebraska and Kansas. How about 62 in Nederland, 66 in Idaho Springs. Tonight in Denver, a stray rain shower is possible. Not really likely, but the chance is certainly there with partly cloudy skies. We drop into the low 50s. Start in the low 60s tomorrow, warm back into the upper 70s and lower 80s. A stray shower possible again late in the day. We'll call it partly cloudy. Low 80s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, that storm begins to approach. Clouds increase. I put an isolated shower in. Autumnal equinox is Saturday, the 23rd, marking the first weekend of the new season, and temperatures will feel like fall. Low 70s Saturday, mid 70s Sunday, back to sunshine and upper 70s on Monday. Signs in the high country around Grand Lake that the leaves are indeed starting to change. Beautiful pictures coming in. We always welcome those. And if you're trying to plan that fall foliage adventure, everything you need to know is on 9news.com.